Hey guys, how's it going? Hope you're doing well. Following the markets, following the politics. Pretty crazy times at the moment. I thought I'd just give you a quite quick update. And funny enough, if you followed my last video, I told you the timing of this drop. I was actually a bit insecure. Sorry, this drop here. I was actually a bit insecure whether we will go to the upside, but then I saw it rolling over pretty quickly, and the dump happened exactly as I said in my previous video, around the 23rd, 24th. But what's going to happen next now? First of all, I need to show you guys something which is absolutely ridiculous, okay? You can see that dump here. The volume was that red candle, all right? But if you check this massive green candle, because people bought at 35,000, there must have been massive buy orders, otherwise this thing would have slipped through. And the volatility that this massive volume has created was just as small as this green candle, which is ridiculous, guys. So can you imagine the pressure, the sales pressure that was going on here? That's really crazy. So what's gonna happen next? In case we keep going long and we break this channel to the upside, there might be some action here. Then we have a W pattern beautifully. You can trade that very beautifully, because if you break the neckline, in case it happens, all right, then we have roughly a price level of $43,500. But in case this downwards trending channel holds, then obviously the next very important date that I have to show you is the 26th of February, roughly. There's going to be some massive action. Let me make that a bit more precise. Sorry about that. Actually, yeah, 26th of February, I presume there's going to be some massive action. And overall, we are still, in case we go to the downside, then we are still trading towards this neckline of the head and shoulders. We really have to see what the situation in Ukraine and Russia is going to do. As I said before, maybe I might have Mr. Putin do the next chart analysis. God knows. The same thing in Ethereum. Here the timing is actually a bit more early, or a tick early, a bit earlier, but nonetheless, we might see in the next couple of days some action here. I'm not pretty sure if we will see the action to the upside. In case we do, then you see we can create a nice W here as well, and it might break up to the upside, and this is the upwards trending channel, the red line. But the politics, the situation at the moment doesn't look at all as if we were going to the upside, right? And as you can see, this blue line, I kept it there on purpose. Let me make it a bit more, just a tiny bit more precise. We're cutting off a couple of candles here. I'm sorry about that. But you can see how this blue line works pretty well, actually. We have resistance here, resistance there. Then we broke out of the resistance. We had support here, and then we broke in, and now we're trading around it. And I guess we are creating a massive upwards or opening wedge. You can do one of these cases, or you can probably be very precise and use the wicks like this. And if we do not break upwards this blue line here, then guys, in my opinion, exactly the same as in Bitcoin, I think personally, then we are really running into some trouble, because this, I'm not pretty sure how I should draw the neckline, if I should draw it like this, or if I should draw it like this. I mean, the cross here, this cross is going to give us massive important information, a lot of important information on the timing. But nonetheless, you still see, if we do not break this blue line to the upside, and then obviously the red line, then we are running into big trouble. So the neckline and the red line is going to be the most important things to watch if we go short. All the best, guys. Cheers.